Well, a new review could impact numerous criminal cases across Maricopa County. It comes after two Phoenix police officers were charged with several felonies, accused of using excessive force during a violent traffic stop.
12 News journalist Sean Rice spoke with the county attorney today, Rachel Mitchell. So, Sean, almost every case these two men touched has to be looked at.
You have to. They're constantly on the witness stand. Their credibility is at issue based off what they're accused of doing earlier this month. The main takeaway is the allegations against Antonio Felix and Luis Vasquez Jr. could have impacts on cases, past, present, or future, the cases that could be pending right now in court. These officers play a critical role, as I mentioned, in testifying during trials nearly every month. And what these officers are accused of doing could have major implications on how that testimony in court is viewed.
Anytime you have any sort of credibility at issue, I'm going to be concerned about it.
The alleged actions of former Phoenix cops Antonio Felix and Luis Vasquez Jr. could have impacts well beyond their own reputations and that of their police department. Prosecutors are now reviewing criminal cases the pair have worked, examining their reliability on the witness stand.
And I want to make sure that we've not only disclosed this information to the defense, but we've evaluated the case in a new light with this information.
Felix and Vasquez Jr. were booked into jail over this past weekend on serious felony charges: kidnapping, assault, robbery, and more. Back on August 5th, the officers stopped a car near 19th Avenue and Broadway. According to investigators, Vasquez and Felix both admitted to conducting a traffic stop on a driver showing signs of intoxication after they completed a records check on that person's license plate. Felix allegedly told investigators the situation, quote, escalated quickly when the driver and passenger refused to get out of the car. During the traffic stop, Vasquez is accused of punching the driver with a closed fist repeatedly, while Felix allegedly tased him and his passenger. The officers did not turn their body cameras on, nor did they document any part of the traffic stop. As Mitchell now prosecutes these former cops, I asked her to put this traffic stop into perspective.
During your tenure as county attorney, for as many years as that has been,
Okay.
Can you recall a time where there was a traffic stop involving one or multiple Phoenix police officers that got allegedly as violent as this one did, and that you had to file charges against said officer? Can you recall a time you've been in this position?
No, I mean, we certainly have filed other charges against other officers, some involving violent acts, but nothing like this.
Yeah. And what do you think that says about the Phoenix Police Department as a whole?
You know, I don't think it says anything about the Phoenix Police Department as a whole. It says something about two former officers, and I don't have any information to say that it goes beyond that point. And I've seen, very diligent action taken by the Phoenix Police Department. They're taking it very seriously. If it expands beyond this, we'll have to see that, and we'll certainly respond appropriately.
And this evening, both Vasquez and Felix have posted their $100,000 secured appearance bond, so 10% of that amount, both now out of jail. There has been no motive released on why these officers would allegedly behave this way, and Phoenix Police Chief Matt Giordano previously told 12 News that he does not have any evidence that these officers knew their victims.
Yeah, but can you imagine the work it's going to take to go back over all the cases that these two officers may have been a part of? And you're talking about not only suspects, but victims in these cases, and who knows what's going to happen to them.
Yeah, these are both very veteran officers down in the South Mountain Precinct. Chief Giordano told us previously that I think they had 9 and 10 years of experience on the force. So that is a lot of criminal investigations they have conducted. It's a lot of reopening cases and making sure that the testimony they gave on the witness stand was true. Of course, now in light of what they're accused of doing. So it is a thorough process and one that might take a long time. We'll see.
Yeah, major trickle-down effect here. All right, Sean, thank you.